Good morning, everybody. Today is Thursday, October 29th. We are going to be talking about idioms. Idioms are phrases that do not mean exactly what they say. So as we have already learned, idioms are a type of figurative language. We're just going to focus on that specific type instead of all of them, like similes and metaphors, personification, things like that. The answer to yesterday's riddle is your picture. Today's riddle is, I am round as a sphere, but then become something else. I am also 100 yards long, or even longer. What am I? Let me know on the next slide.